Hi there, I'm Marie. Today I want to share with you how I crochet the basic granny squares. These little squares are prepared individually and used later in other projects such as afghans, blankets, scarves, and designers' clothing. They're fun to make and it's a great way to use up your leftover yarn. We'll start with a center ring and work outwards in rounds. You can use any yarn and the recommended hook size for these sample squares. To begin, chain 4. Then slip stitch to the beginning chain to form a ring. Make sure it is secured tightly. This ring is our foundation chain for row 1. Now chain 3. This counts as a double crochet. We'll do 2 more double crochet. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull through both loops. That's our second one. And the third. This is a granny cluster, a consecutive 3 double crochet stitches. Next, chain 3. This is for the corner. From here, work 3 more double crochet into the ring. One double crochet. 2, and 3. This is our second cluster. Next, chain 3 again for the corner space. We'll work 2 more clusters and I'll show you how to close out the round and start row 2. Okay, we have completed 4 clusters. Normally, if you want to close the round completely, you will chain 3 and do a slip stitch with the first double crochet here. Since we'll be using the same color in row 2, we'll join in the middle of a corner stitch. We chain 1, yarn over, and work a half double crochet into the top of this chain 3 double crochet. Pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 3 loops. This completes the square for round 1. This last corner consists of 1 chain and 1 half double crochet. It is the same length as 3 chains. We'll start row 2 from this corner. Chain 3. Which counts as a double crochet. Work 2 more double crochet to form the first cluster in this corner. We will do 1 more cluster in this corner later when we complete the round. Next, chain 1. And then work 1 cluster in this corner space. One, 2, and 3. Now, chain 3 for the corner space. Work another cluster in this corner space. This is what a completed square corner looks like. Next, chain 1. We'll repeat working a cluster, chaining 3, and working another cluster to complete the square corner. Continue working in the same sequence, and I'll show you how to join the stitches at the end of the row. We have now reached the corner where we started. Work 3 double crochet in this corner space. To join the round, chain 1, yarn over, and work a half double crochet into the top stitch of this chain 3. Pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 3 loops. This completes the round for row 2. Chain 3. Work 2 double crochet. Chain 1. Work a cluster in this chain space. Row 3 is pretty much the same as row 2, except that we work an extra cluster in the middle of each side of the square. We are at the end of row 3. Since we'll be changing color, we won't be joining in the middle of the corner space. We'll chain 3 and slip stitch into the top chain of the beginning chain 3 double crochet. Pull up a loop and slip stitch through. Now, instead of fasten off at the top of the chain, we pull the chain to the back through the same spot where the working yarn is. And fasten off. This notch is very noticeable but very secure. We'll use a new color for the next round. Tie a slip knot with the new color. The knot makes the joint sturdier. We are working in the round, so we can start the new row from any sides of the square. Pull the knot through the chain space. The knot counts as one chain, so we chain 2 more to form a double crochet. Now work 2 more double crochet. I'm sure you get the idea. This is a repeat of row 3. You can add more rounds to make the granny square as big as you like. Now weave in the loose ends and we are done. In my next tutorial video, I'll show you a quick way to join these squares together. So be sure to check it out. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful and you want to learn more, consider subscribing to this channel for more useful content. And check out my other videos. Bye for now.